So is your key fob either not working at far distances or not working at all? It's time to change your battery. Continue watching to find out how on this episode of James Fix It. All right, and to start things off, go ahead and get your key off of any key ring. It'll just get in the way. Just make sure to get the correct lithium battery. Now this is the model number of battery that you will need, CR1616. It's not the typical CR2032 that most of the other keys use, so this one is unique. Make sure you have the correct battery. Link in the description below for this battery kit. And then you will also need a flathead screwdriver, very small one, and then a very small Phillips head screwdriver as well. All right, so on your key, you're gonna notice a little bit of a notch right there. For a flathead screwdriver, do not pry it open. Do not do that. There's a very small Phillips head screw right on the base of the plastic housing. Going to go ahead and take that off first with your small Phillips screwdriver. It's a very small screw, so make sure you have the right size screwdriver. Go and take that screw out, and then everything will pivot away from here. Just going to leave it like that. Tilt it straight up, and I'll pull off and go in half. This is the main module right here. All right, so on the top side, you're gonna notice that there's two tabs, one on each side. Go ahead and go from one side here and just peel it back enough to separate these two halves. Now this is very delicate, so you probably don't wanna use a screwdriver and pry it open. You're gonna break that tab. So just be very careful. You can probably use your fingernails and just be very gentle, just like that. There's that half, and your battery is actually on this half. All right, let's go ahead and open our kit here. Now they make these in a lot of different packages. This just happens to be the 5 quantity here. And as you can see here, each one is individually packaged, which is really cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and take one out. There's your new battery. Just verify that you have the correct type of battery there. All right, so now to take this off, there is a little bit of a notch right there in the upper corner there. You can use a flathead, that same flathead, and just kind of pivot it out just like that. Now go ahead and dispose of the old battery here. Pop the new one in, and the orientation is just like this. You also have a plus sign there on the inside of that. Just gonna pop it in. You want to go downward first at an angle and just clip the other side in just like that. Now go ahead and match up the sides here and clip both halves back together. And you can just verify that they work. Hit the lock button. As you can see, it lights up. We are good. And it's just a matter of reinstalling the Versa order. So go ahead and get your button layout, line it up. It'll sit just like that. As for this, you want to engage that tab there on the top there. Go and slide that in and connect it back together. Last step is to put your screw back in. Now again, this is a very small screw, so take care not to strip it. I like to back it off a little bit, just so I feel that indentation will drop and I can start screwing it down. Not a whole lot of torque is needed, just enough to keep it together. That's plenty right there. And that is how to replace the battery in your Honda key remote. Thanks for watching. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.